Welcome. Today we'll be learning Parts and Wholes, Chapter 4, NCERT, Class Y, Part 2. Practice time. Chocolate bar. Manju had a chocolate. She gave 1/4 of it to Raji, 1/3 to Sugada, and 1/6 to Sheila. She ate the remaining part. How many pieces of chocolate did each get? And what part of the chocolate did Manju eat? Now they have given you one chocolate here. Okay, you can see this. This is a chocolate, it seems. And Manju had this chocolate and she gave 1/4 of it to Raji. Out of this chocolate, 1/4 part she gave to Raji, 1/3 to Sugada, and 1/6 to Sheila. So they are asking, so remaining part she ate. So they are asking us to find out what part did Raji got, what part did Sugada get, and what part did Sheila got, and remaining Manju had. So what part did Manju had? For this, what we have to do, we have to calculate in this chocolate how many parts are there. Total number of parts in this chocolate. So shall we calculate? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So totally this chocolate is divided into how many parts? It is divided into 12 parts. Yes or no? If we divide this chocolate, it is totally in how many parts? 12 parts. Now let's see the solution for this. Number of pieces in the chocolate is 12. Yes or no? We calculated now only. Now she gave, it's given here, she gave 1/4 of it to Raji. So 1/4 of it. So 1/4 of total how many pieces are there? 12 pieces. So 1/4 of 12 means 12 divided by 4, that is equal to how many? 3 pieces. So Raji will get how many pieces? 3 pieces, because it's given here it is 1/4. Now next 1/3 to Sugada. To Sugada how many parts he got? 1/3. So 1/3 into 12, that is equals to 4 pieces. So no, 3 ones are 3 fours are 12, that is 4 pieces. Next Sheila. Sheila got how much? 1/6. So how you will do? 1/6 into total number of pieces, that is 12. So that equal to 12/6, that is equals to 2. So total Sheila got how many pieces? 2 pieces. Now we have calculated for Raji 3 pieces, Sugada 4 pieces, and Sheila 2 pieces. And remaining she had, yes or no? Total pieces were 12. Total were 12 pieces. Now she gave 3 for Raji, 4 for Sugada, and 2 for Sheila. So remaining she had. To find remaining, what we have to do? We have to subtract. So 12 minus 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. So that is 12 minus 9, that equal to how many pieces? 3 pieces. Understood, ma? Without calculation like this also you can do. When this whole chocolate is given, if we divide it, this is half. Yes or no? If we divide it like this, it is 1/4. Like this we can divide, then also we can do. When we divide, we can see 1/4 part means how many pieces they will get? 1, 2, 3 pieces. All of you understood till here? Yes. Once again I'll tell you, see, total number of pieces are 12. In that 1/4 is given to Raji, that is 1/4 of 12, that is 12/4, that is equal to 3. Next Sugada got 1/3 of it, that is 1/3 into 12, that is 12/3, that equal to 4 pieces. So no. Next Sheila got 1/6 of it, that is 1/6 into 12, that is equal to 2 pieces. So how much is left with her? 12 minus 3 plus 4 plus 2, that is 9. So whole 9 pieces she distributed. So what's left for means what we will do? We have to subtract. Yes or no? We have to subtract. Now once again we have to subtract. Then we'll get 3 pieces. So Raji got how many? 3. Sugada 4. Sheila 2. Manju 3. All of you understood till here? Next question. Color the hats. Page number 53. Color 1/3 of the hats red. Means here hats are given. In that they are asking you to first color 1/3 of the hats as red. Color 3/5 hat blue. How many hats did you color red? How many hats did you color blue? What part of the hats are not colored? Now for this, first in the chocolate question also what we did, we calculated it is divided into how many pieces, yes or no, total number of parts. Now like this, what is given for you here? Hats are given and they told you how many hats are there? No. So first to calculate the 1/3 of the hats, what should we know? Totally how many parts are there? So shall we calculate? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So what are the total number of hats are? 15. Now we will do the solution one by one. Okay. Now the first one, the total number of hats in the given figure is equal to 15. First we'll write that. Now next, what's the first question? We'll go to the first question. Color 1/3 of the hats red. 1/3 of the hats. So total how many hats are there? 15 hats. So out of 15 hats, 1/3 of the hats we have to color it as red. So how we'll calculate? 1/3 of 15 we have to calculate. Means out of 15, 1/3 we have to calculate. So that is 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15. So how much we'll get? 5 hats. So in that, then what we have to do after finding that, we have to color any 5 hats in red color. 3, 4 and 5. 5 hats in red color. Understood? Now next question. Color 3/4 of hats in blue. 3/4 of the hats they are asking us to color in blue. So for that again we have to calculate. Yes or no? Sorry, 3/5 of the hats in blue. So 3/5 into total number of hats is 15. So 3 by 5 into 15. So 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15, 3 threes are 9. Understood? 3 by 5 into 15. Okay. So how I showed you this? 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15, 3 threes are 9. Otherwise what you will do? You calculate like this. 15 threes are you have to calculate. So how much you will get? 45 by divided by 5. So 5 ones are 5, 5 nines are. You do normal your division otherwise like this. 45 divided by 5 like this also you can do if you don't know to cancel in this way. Okay, so how many hats you got it? 9 hats. So 9 hats you have to color in which color? Blue color. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So totally how many we colored red? 5. And how many we colored blue? 9 hats. Now let's see the next question. How many hats did you color red? So how many we colored? 5. Yes or no? Next, fourth one. How many hats did you color blue? In blue, how many colored? It is 9 hats. Yes or no? Now, what part of the hats are not colored? They're asking us what parts of the hats are not colored. So, number of hats colored is 5 plus 9. 5 plus 9 is how much? That is 14. How you got this 14? Because 5 we colored as red and 9 we colored as blue. So 5 plus 9 is 14. And total number of hats are 15. Already first only we found it. 15. So how many is not colored? 15 minus 4, that is 1. When we color also we can find out. We colored all this red and we colored all this blue. So left out is only 1 hat. Yes or no? So what is the part of a hat not colored? This is number. One number of hat is not colored. Now they are asking us to find out the part. For part what we'll do? How many hats are not colored? 1 by total how many parts are there? 15 hats are there. So therefore 1 by 15th part of the hats are not colored. I think all of you understood till here. Yes. Shall we move to the next one? Next. Equal parts of a triangle. What they are asking us to make? Equal parts of a triangle. The white triangle is divided into 3 equal parts. This is a white triangle which is there. It is divided into 3 parts. So no, 1, 2, 3. Fill each 1/3 part with a different color. They are asking you to color differently. That is, for example, I will show you. If I take one color, blue, I'll color it as blue. Okay. Next, if I take next color as some other red or some other color, that brown, I'll color it like this. Next, one more color, if I take it something like purple, I'll color this. Like this, they're asking you to color it in different colors. Then fill each 1/3 part with a different color. Each 1/3, because this is 1 out of 3rd part. This is 1 out of 3rd part. This is 1 out of 3rd part. Now, can you show that these parts are equal? Now, they are asking us to show whether these parts are equal. All these 3 parts which has been divided, are they equal? Yes. This can be done by making a cut of these parts, that is cut out of these parts of the triangle by using a trace paper. So, keep a tracing paper on this and make the similar, trace the same triangle into another paper or cardboard or anything. Okay. After making that, you cut these parts like this. Okay. You cut this first triangle, cut the second triangle, cut the third triangle. And if you place one part of the on the other, means एक part के ऊपर दूसरा part, if you place it in that way, then what happens? All will be in equal size. Okay, that is what given here. See, if one part is placed over another part, it is seen that the first part fully covers the second part. Moreover, the second part also fully covers the third part. So, this shows that all parts are equal. All of you understood? So, this triangle which is given, first you color it in different colors. Okay. And then you take a tracing paper. Okay. Draw the same triangle on some other paper. Tracing paper, you can trace it. Trace it. Make the cutouts of that. Separate these 3 triangles. And then keep one triangle over the other and the other one on top of that. So, what you will see, all 3 are in equal shape. Okay. Understood? Now, next one. Now, try to make 3 equal parts of this triangle. One more triangle they have given you. They are asking you to make equal parts of this triangle in different ways. As they have made into 3 ways, they are asking you also to make into 3 equal parts. You can't make as your wish. It should be equal. Whole 3 triangles should be equal. Color each 1/3 with a different color. So, shall I show you how I did it? So, this is the triangle which is given. So, first from the center of here, I have put one line, again one line. So, in this way, I have divided the triangle into 3 parts. Understood? Next, page number 54. 6 parts of a rectangle. Rani has divided a green rectangle into 6 equal parts like this. This is a rectangle. So, now this green colored one is a rectangle. And how many parts it is divided? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you can see they all are equal parts. Now, you divide each of these rectangle into 6 equal parts. Use different ways for each of the 3 rectangles. Now, 3 rectangles they have given you and they are asking you also to divide it into 6 parts. I'll show you the one way, and your creativity, however you can do it, you can do, but it should be in equal parts. Okay, children? And this we did it in our 4th class also. Okay, in Math Magic 4 also we did it. Now, let's see how we can do with the first one. First, I'm drawing one line. Okay, next one more line, next one more. Now, you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This line should move little more this side. Then all the 6 parts will be equal. Okay, now the next one, 1, 2, 3. Now, when I make 3 lines in that, how many parts it is divided? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is this rectangle and this rectangle divided in different way? Yes, because here top, how many boxes are there? 3. Here 2. So, it is different. Now, let's see the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is it divided into 6 equal parts? Yes. Very good. I hope you all understood till here. Yes. We'll catch up in our next session. Till then, thank you.